Hey guys, Melissa and I just want to do a quick tutorial on using the control panel for the trailer. I promise you, it's a lot simpler than it appears to be. Up on the top left-hand corner, you have the gauge from empty to full that would be to show you your battery. Push the battery button, that shows you the battery's full. The fresh tank button, empty. Black tank button, empty, and gray tank button, empty. As you are staying on site, this meter will change. So this is how you check your tank capacities. You want to make sure that your gray tank, for instance, it fills overnight. If you really kind of abuse water, you would want to just keep an eye on your gray tank and make sure that it goes from empty to full for the duration of your stay and not too quickly. Make sure you leave yourself tank capacity. Um, as far as the rest of the control panel, Melissa and I will have everything set up for you upon delivery, but you would still use these lights down at the bottom. There's 4 buttons. There's the interior, which turns all the lights off and on with one quick switch, the porch light, the awning light, and the step light. And you would see what those three are at night when you want to, if you want to toggle through them. We tend to leave the step light on all night long, and then the awning light. The porch light is like an orange scare light that we don't tend to use very often. In addition to that, you have the awning extend and retract button. Extend is up, retract is out. We will have a discussion with you about the awning. This is a $3,000 button. And we will talk about that on delivery. And other than that, the water heater electric would be on for you. And we just ask that if you ever leave the campground or the camper for an extended period of time, that you go ahead and you just flick that off, and that you would also shut the water off to the trailer. That way the trailer doesn't risk any kind of flooding. When you get back, you'd turn the water on, and then you just turn the electric heater on. So again, this is the tutorial for anybody that's full hookups with 30 amp electric and water.